Hi guys, and welcome to DIY D365. This video is going to be a short video where I'm going to demonstrate something. As you can see on the screen, we're going to mock up Genius Bar's Create Your Own App, coming up right after the intro. Okay, so if you don't know what I'm talking about Apple's Genius Bars, where we go for iPhone repairs or anything related to Apple repairs or to buy new Apple products. So if you enter there, especially at the watch section, they've got this iPad where they have got this app where you can select the case or the dial first and then look at the band or the strap of the watch, so you get a feel how it would look. It also displays the name of the cases and bands along with the product price. So we will jump right into it. If you still haven't got an idea, I'll go to Apple's website because they've got something similar there as well. So I think it's this. So I've gone here. Let me just go back. And what I've done is I said create my own. So that's something. So create your style. So that's basically, if I click on get it started, it will ask me about the size, case. So I can select, let's say this one, and then I'll go on to band, which gives me all these options. And then I have to do this and this, but obviously back at the store you don't have to press on the arrow because it's a touch screen there. So you can just use your fingers to move this these bands to left and right. So this is what I'm talking about. Now before I get into my Power App, I will show you a video I recorded on my mobile so you get a better idea how we've done it. So just playing it. It's the same thing. You can see 3 cases along with their names and product IDs, and when I go here I can scroll through to different bands, and when I click I get to see the new price or name or product ID of those bands. So that's what I've done. Now so that's the video there, and now I will go to my Canvas app. And all I've done is I've got 2 screens, and both these screens are actually from CDS. So I've utilized products. So if I click here and then onto these galleries, so I've used gallery, horizontal, and the data source is products. I used it twice because I added initially from D365, and then what I've done is I've created 2 views, so you can do it in your CDS entities and views, where you can create views and filter it by dials or bands. So that's what I've done, added the same galleries but changed their views, so you are either able to see dials here and you can see the filter there. All I've done, used entity image, name of the product, and the product ID. Similarly, if I go here, it has got this gallery, which is again products, but a view of band, so you're only able to see band. Now how am I able to see the dial here? That's the question if you want to ask me. So what I'm doing is, let me go back to this one. Now what I've done on entity image of gallery dials, I'm navigating to bands. Now when I reach band, what I've done is I've inserted an image from here, which is nothing but the selected value on dial screen. So I selected the gold watch, that's why it populates here. So, and then I have used the gallery here, so you can scroll left or right, and then when you click back to dials, you go back to dials. This again, if you click on it, you can see the screen 1 name here and screen 2 name here, which is this one, and their product IDs, prices, and the total. If I click back to dials, I go back to the dial screen. So I hope you like it. It's quite simple. I'm sure that Genius Bar or Apple they might have spent a lot of money on that, but I did it in less than 20 minutes, where I tried to mock up. Obviously, it's not as good as what Apple's or Genius Bar's website looks. But in saying that, you know that you can do a lot of stuff here. You can also create a button to place an order. You can also create a button to inform the sales guy that I'm ready to buy, where to pay. So all those things you can do. What I have done is a 15 to 20 minute things, but all I wanted to share is that you can do these difficult apps with the help of Power Apps so easily and in so less time. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section and make sure you make that black thumb blue on the video. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.